Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to make black and white gradient in Photoshop. Let's get started. Example, I use this gradient, use this, click effects, gradient overlay, and already inserted to this black and white gradient. I customize to this gradient, use black and white. Okay, and create a new. See this? Click OK, and again see this shape, black and white. Scale, move, reverse, and radial, angle, reflected. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.